In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate for you how to create the foundation chain. Now, the foundation chain is the foundation to any crochet project that you start. You must start with a foundation chain in order to continue with your stitches and create your project. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and make our slip knot, which in the previous tutorial, I showed you guys how I do my slip knot. I just make the X. I put the hook underneath the bottom yarn and I just tug at the top yarn, and there you go. This is how I personally do my slip knot. So now with your chain, you're going to hold your yarn. The way that I hold it is I hold my working yarn here with my bottom 2 fingers, and I loop it around my index finger and hold it this way. That's just the way that I do it when I'm doing my foundation chain. So these 2 fingers are kind of holding the working yarn, and this is just giving some tension so I can go ahead and start doing it. So let's go ahead and start. What you're going to do is just yarn over. Okay, so you're just putting the yarn over the hook and you're pulling that yarn through the loop. You're yarning over and you're pulling the yarn through the hoop. You're yarning over and pulling the yarn through the loop. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. And this, as you can see, is creating a chain. And in each chain, which it looks like a V, that's considered a stitch. Okay, and that's where you're going to be starting your stitches. So let's go ahead and do some more. You're going to yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Now, as a beginner, I do suggest that you kind of have a looser tension rather than a tighter tension. That'll always dictate how tight or how loose and flowy your projects will be. So as a beginner, I do suggest using more of a looser tension so you can get a looser chain, which means you can work in your stitches a lot easier. So this is how the foundation chain works. I hope you found this was helpful. We'll go ahead and get started in the next video learning how to do a single crochet. See you there.